Hey, what are you doing? I'm just using some sticky notes to come up with some ideas. It looks like a complete mess. If Marie Kondo was here, she'd tell you to clean it up. What are you talking about? I don't think you know how to use sticky notes properly. There's not a lot to it, is there? Well, you'd be surprised. You see how all your sticky notes are facing the ceiling? Oh yeah, they are. That's because you pulled them from the bottom like that, and that means they curl. If you pull them from the side, that means they're perfectly flat. Okay, fair point. You're also using a normal pen. It's hard to read it properly because when you're stood around a flip chart, and imagine there were more of us, you can't actually see what's written on each of the sticky notes. So that's no good, is it? That's why it's so important to use a Sharpie rather than a pen. And when your writing is as unclear as yours, it's much better that you don't use lowercase. You should write everything in capitals. If you do it like that, it's going to look something like this. Okay, that is clearer. Another massive mistake people make is they try to write too many ideas down on each sticky note. What you want to do is stick to one idea per sticky note, because what that means is you can move the sticky notes around and group them. Luckily, you've already done that, so that's really good. Oh, thank you. Now, do you want to hear a complete game changer? Are you ready? Yeah, go on. You need to add pictures to your sticky notes. Yes, pictures, little icons, little drawings that make it way quicker for the brain to work out what each sticky note is saying. Yeah, you're right, it's way faster to understand them like that. It's a bit annoying when you're in the moment and you just want to get on with it right, but it makes such a big difference if you take the time to actually draw those little pictures, because as you can see, it's so much easier to understand what it's saying much quicker. So what other tips have you got under your sleeves? Another good one is color coding your sticky notes. So, for example, we could use orange sticky notes for ideas that we've already tried out, and we could use green sticky notes for new ones that we haven't yet tried. Thank you. This has been really, really helpful. You're welcome. But one last thing, because what you're doing here is committing cognitive murder. I'd even go as far to say that this is a cognitive massacre. Hold on, cognitive what? Cognitive murder. I picked it up from Alex Osterwalder. It's when you present too much information in one go and your brain just can't handle it. It can't understand what's going on. Now, to avoid cognitive murder, what you want to do is put each sticky note up one at a time. That makes it way easier to follow the story, and it's great for when you're doing ideation sessions like this, or even when you're using tools like the business model canvas. I don't know about cognitive murder, but you've blown my mind. You're like the Marie Kondo of the sticky note world. You're welcome. I'll see you later. Hey everybody, it's the real me now. I've just finished editing the video and it's by far the most complicated that I've made so far. So I'd really appreciate it if you could give me a like and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I'd love to know, what types of videos should I make next? What topics should I cover? Let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video. See you later everybody.